Picture this, a perfect evening at home with every channel you could ever want right at your fingertips. No more frustration, no more searching. For years, cable companies have charged a fortune for service that just doesn't deliver. $240 a month? It's time for a change. Meet BexyTV, the smarter way to watch everything you love for a fraction of the cost. Specially crafted for users across the United States and Canada, BexyTV brings you local and international content with zero compromise. We're talking over 8,500 live channels, plus over 1,200 new movies and 4,800 TV series added every single month. Navigate effortlessly with our gorgeous electronic program guide. See what's on now and what's coming up next with total clarity. Missed your favorite show? No problem. Our catch-up service goes back 7 full days, so you never have to miss a beat. Experience performance like never before. Channel zaps in just 120 milliseconds. It's instant. It's seamless. From Hollywood blockbusters to indie gems, our massive movie library is always expanding to keep your movie nights exciting. And for the fans, all the sports you need, live events, highlights, and analysis, all in one place, one app, total control. News, kids, music, documentaries, and live events. Whatever your mood, BexyTV has you covered. Watch on every device you already own, Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, your laptop, or your phone. BexyTV goes everywhere you do. Picture so sharp you'll feel it, sound so big you'll live it. Experience the peak of home entertainment quality. Join over 12,000 verified customers. With a 4.8-star rating, the community has spoken. BexyTV is the best. 99.97% uptime. Reliable, consistent, and backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Pricing starts at just $8.33 a month. Choose the plan that fits your lifestyle. That's $980 back in your pocket every single year. It's the smartest choice for your wallet. The longer you commit, the lower the rate. Flexible plans designed for how you watch. Try it free for 24 hours. No credit card, no catch. Experience what TV is supposed to feel like today. Stop overpaying, join the revolution. Start your free trial now. BexyTV, press play.